In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view pages side by side in Canva. Whether you're designing a multi-page document or just want a better look at multiple pages at once, viewing them side by side can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into this simple yet effective feature in Canva. To begin, make sure you have your project open in Canva. If you're not already there, open Canva in your web browser and navigate to the design you want to work on. Now that your design is up on the screen, focus your attention on the bottom right corner of the interface. You'll notice a variety of icons that assist you in navigating through Canva's extensive features. The icon we're focusing on today is the grid icon, which you might recognize as a small grid of squares. It's located just above the page navigation panel, a handy little spot that's easy to overlook if you're not specifically searching for it. When you click on this grid icon, you'll immediately see a transformation on your screen. Your entire document magically appears in a grid view, displaying all your pages side by side. This grid view isn't just for show. It's a powerful tool that enhances your ability to see how each page flows into the next. This is especially important when you're working to maintain consistency across your design. Whether you need to check text alignment, keep an eye on your color schemes, or simply get a feel for the overall aesthetic, this feature can be extremely valuable. While you're in this grid view, take advantage of its flexibility by clicking on any individual page to jump directly into editing. This allows you to make quick edits or adjustments without losing your place in the document. Moreover, if rearranging pages is on your to-do list, the grid view simplifies it by letting you click and drag pages to reorder them with ease. Simply hover over a page, click and hold down your mouse button, then drag it to the desired location. Release the mouse button and the page swiftly shifts to its new spot. This side-by-side view also excels if you're searching for a specific element or comparing different sections of your design. It's efficient and saves time. And when you're ready to exit the grid view, it's as easy as clicking on any page you wish to edit, which will bring you back to the familiar one-at-a-time page view. If you haven't explored this feature yet, I highly recommend trying it out. It's bound to save you time and give you a clearer perspective on your projects. After using it a few times, you might find it becomes an indispensable part of your Canva toolkit. That wraps up today's tutorial on viewing pages side by side in Canva. I hope you found it as straightforward and practical as it truly is. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.